Hello. Excuse me. Yeah. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I have your. Have I given you time at 6 o'clock or 6:30?
Sir, 6 o'clock.
Very good. Then I will talk to you first. Welcome. Good evening. Sorry, I'm delayed. Now, which date you have the interview?
Sir, August 2.
Very good. You have time. No hurry. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself. I'm Rani Tom. I'm from Kanjiramattam. It's a small village in Kottayam district. I have completed my post-graduation from CMS College, Kottayam in 2020 with a CGPA of 3.24. And I have completed my graduation from Alfonso College, Pala in 2018 with a CGPA of 9.16. And I also secured third rank in MT University for my graduation. My family consists of my mother, my father, and my sister. My father is an agriculturalist, and my mother is a homemaker. And my sister is working as a probationary officer in South Indian Bank. And for past 2 years, I have been preparing for bank exams.
Which degree you studied? You did not mention.
Yes, sir. MSc Physics.
You didn't tell MSc Physics. You didn't tell. You told only post-graduation, graduation. That physics you have to mention. Good.
Yes,
very nice. Absolutely no problem. Now, have you been following how the interview is going on? How did you prepare for this interview? Because you are a physics graduate.
Yes, sir.
And I'm not repeating the question, why are you coming to banking? That you will manage. Now tell me, how did you prepare for this interview? What did you prepare? How did you prepare for this interview?
Okay, sir. First of all, I went to the Federal Bank website to get to know more about the bank, and I was taking personal interview classes from Sambashivan sir and also mock interview from sir. And I went through the Kapil Kadpal sir's banking awareness class to learn more about banking. This was I was doing, and I also work on my personality in improving my skills also.
Very good. You don't have to tell the names of people. You don't have to tell my name or Kapil's name. Just tell,
Okay,
I learned from YouTube and I learned from online websites about how to answer an interviews like that, you can say. Good.
okay,
because they may not, sometimes if they are very keen, they will ask which person are you taking mock interview and all. That case you can refer. Otherwise, there is no. Good. So you studied MSc in 2020, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. No problem. Good. So can you please tell me, I mean, this question they are going on asking 2 years. Of course, everybody knows the main reason for this is COVID crisis and
Yes.
also lack of adequate opportunities. And
Yes,
only thing is they can say is, why did you not qualify in the bank exams earlier? Of course, it is not possible in all cases. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now, can you please tell about the competition that banks are facing nowadays? What are the different competition, different types of competitions banks are facing nowadays in its functioning?
Okay, sir. First of all, the bank is nowadays facing challenges mainly to the competition from other private and public sector banks, and they are also facing competition to change to the new technological advancement in the banking technologies, and also due to the strict bank regulations and government policies, they have to change their functions. So it is mainly challenges for them. And also rising in the number of NPAs and fraud and money laundering cases in banking.
No, but for competition in banking, you can tell the reference to NBFCs also.
Okay.
You face competition from NBFCs, from other public sector banks and private sector banks, also your, what is that, foreign banks. And not only that, you face competition from neo banks like PAYTM, Geo
Okay.
Payment Bank, and
Hmm.
these payment banks also offer this thing. But besides the competition with say small finance bank is also acute because they are offering higher interest rate.
Okay.
Good. What do you know about Federal Bank? Talk to me for roughly 1 minute. Let me put this stopwatch. I want you to talk only very good points about Federal Bank. For how many minutes can you talk? 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, please talk for 2 minutes. Only good points about Federal Bank.
Okay, sir. Federal Bank is incorporated on April 23, 1931 in Nedumpuram, a small village in Tiruvalla district, and also a small village near Tiruvalla, and it is founded by K.P. Hobbies. Its current MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan. Its tagline is "Your perfect banking partner." Its headquarters is in Aluva, Kochi. Its vision is to be the most admired bank, which is digitally enabled with a sharp focus on micro, medium, and middle market enterprises. Its total deposit is 1,83,335 crore. Its profit is 601 crore, and it has increased from 64%. And the NPA is 0.94. It has about 1,291 branches. It has recently received some awards like Finovity Awards for their Fed Studio, and they received a Best Place to Work 2022 award. They also received 17th Annual Banking Technology Award by IBA. They also there is also a social responsibility from their side by initiating a Federal Bank Homies Memorial Foundation. Under this trust, they are doing their social responsibilities as well as in the field of education, healthcare, and in the economic development also.
Good. 1.5 minutes. It's okay.
Okay.
Fine. Good. You talked very nicely, confidently. But many times you are using they are.
Okay, sir.
Instead, you can use the word the bank
Okay.
is doing like that.
Okay, sir.
Or we are doing some such thing. Some
Okay,
sort
sir.
of, if you tell like that, they will feel you are closer to them.
Okay, sir.
Good. You talk nicely. I think this is third interview or second interview for you.
Second interview, sir.
Good. And you are also attending our classes regularly, correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you attending regularly or irregularly?
Sir, I'm watching recorded sessions.
Okay. What is the capital of Kerala?
Sir, Trivandrum.
Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Sri Pinarayi Vijayan.
Who is the Health Minister of Kerala?
Srimati Veena George.
What is the name of the Grameen Bank in Kerala?
Sir, Kerala Gramin Bank.
Which bank has sponsored it?
Sir, Canara Bank.
Okay. Who is the MD of that? Chairman of that?
Sir, I'm not sure about it.
Okay. Who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
Sir, Shyam Srinivasan.
Your sister is working in South Indian Bank.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me who is the chairman of South Indian Bank?
Sir, Murli Ramakrishnan, sir.
How many branches are there in South Indian Bank?
Sir, about 1,000. I'm not sure about exact branches.
Please get to know about South Indian Bank also because they can ask you question.
Okay.
In which branch is she working?
Sir, she is working in BOG in Kalamassery.
Where is it? Where is it?
Kalamassery.
Kalamassery. That means in near your house only or it is far
No,
away?
sir. No, sir, it's another district. It's far away.
Far away. Acha, acha. That means she is
Sir,
staying alone.
yes, sir, in hostel.
Oh, what is the timing in which she is working? At what time she goes to
Sir,
bank? At what time she will return from office?
sir, her timing is 9 to 5, but she's working from 9 to 6. It can go up to 7 o'clock also.
Very good. I think, yeah. This is what you said, that she is working in some call center, correct?
No, sir, BOG.
BOG means?
Banking Operation Group.
What is their function?
Sir, they are doing liability and asset sessions. She's working in liability session.
So that means?
That means she's doing video KYC and BPM for approving accounts.
Very good, very good. That's what we said. She is not in direct contact with customers. However,
Yes, sir.
she has to get into contact with customers through video.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. In South Indian Bank, all these things are done at branch level or at the corporate level.
Sir, I don't know.
I think it is done only in corporate level. Otherwise, your sister will not be having work in that place. It is not. That's what you said. Some group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please talk to her about this.
Okay, sir.
How you are you good in marketing?
Yes, sir.
Is your sister doing marketing?
No, sir. Now she's not doing, but later on she will get to do that.
Very good. Now, how can you say you are good in marketing? Can you please tell me some qualities that you have that makes you think that you are good in marketing?
Sir, I haven't done any direct marketing sections or any marketing experience I didn't got, but I have been marketing my skills through my college days. I was marketing my skills to get into a project group, to get the project I needed, and to get in the research groups also. I was marketing my skills. That way I was good in doing, but in real life I didn't get to do any marketing.
Mhm. What are the qualities required for succeeding as a marketing person?
So I believe first of all, they need to have a good knowledge about the product that they are selling, and they should have a communication skill so that they can connect with the customer, and they should be confident in their communication. And moreover, they should be hardworking. They should not quit if they didn't get well in marketing. They should continue doing well in the marketing. They should have that courage to face that.
Instead of selling, you should say a marketing person must have perseverance skill.
Okay, sir.
You talk in third party. Don't
Okay, sir.
tell it this way. That will be good.
Okay.
So are you willing to relocate yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm definitely willing to relocate.
Why? Your sister also has gone away from your Kottayam, and you are
Yes.
also going away from Kottayam. Supposing we post you to Mangaluru. Where is Mangaluru?
Sir, Karnataka.
Karnataka. Correct. What is the capital of Karnataka?
Sir, Bangalore.
Correct. Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Sir, Basaviraj Somaraj.
Basavaraj Bommai.
Bombay.
Yeah. Basavaraj Bommai is the Chief Minister of so and so. Good. Now, are you going through the newspapers for the last few days? What is the news that you have come across?
So the recent news is that Draupadi Murmu has been appointed as the President of India, 15th President of India.
Good. Then
Sir, and
something more.
About Draupadi.
That is okay. You see, you have been reading newspapers. Something must be there in your mind, because even yesterday I have posted going through. If nothing is there, what you can do, you can go through inshorts.com and try to get whatever current updates are there, and from there you can speak also.
Okay, sir.
I have posted a video also. 1 minute. Let me tell you. What are the things I have put? Of course, not directly related to you. 19 opposition MPs from Rajya Sabha have been suspended.
Okay, sir.
Then a large statue of Chandrasekhar Azad to be erected in Bhopal. Then, of course, this is not directly relevant to Kerala or whatever it is. And then, yeah. One Indermit Gill has been named as World Bank's chief economist.
Okay,
then
sir.
one Mr. Nakul Jain is joining PAYTM payment service as CEO. Canara Bank has launched a mobile app named Canara AI1. Then likewise, India is providing some assistance to Palestinians. Likewise, these are this much news is there in yesterday's current affairs only what I have posted.
Okay, sir.
Then What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like to do craft and also help my mom in cooking.
Good. In Kerala, what is the idea prevalent? Who is good in cooking? Is it gents or female?
Sir, according to the general views, they mostly say that it is woman who is good in cooking. But I believe if practice, men can also do cooking.
In Tamil Nadu, we have a phrase that there was supposed to be a king known as Nala. Nala
Okay.
and Nala Damayanti, you know.
Okay.
Maybe you might not have heard. Probably it is there in Tamil language only,
Mhm.
where this Nala was supposed to be a very good cook. So that's why whenever somebody cooks very nicely, we used to say Nala Bhagam. That is, you have cooked so nicely.
Okay, sir.
Good. Can you tell something about recent 2022 National Film Festival Awards?
Okay, sir. The best actress is Abarna Balamurli. The best actor is Ajay Devagan. And the co-actor is Biju Menon. And the best film is Surya Potru.
Good. Excellent. What is Dada Saheb Palke Award? What is it? For which field is it given?
Sir, I don't know.
Dada Saheb Palke Award is given for outstanding contribution in film field.
Okay,
Like Amitabh Bachchan, Rajinikanth, all these people have got. K. Balachandar, they have all taken.
Okay, sir.
So you said hobbies only cooking and what else? Craft.
Craft, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not an ordinary girl. Normal girl must watch more time in YouTube, then in Twitter, then in some movies. Why are you not seeing movies? Are you not having Prime app, then Netflix app and all that?
Yes, sir. I'm watching K-dramas.
Which one?
Korean dramas.
Korean dramas. Oh, great, great, great. Through which Netflix?
Sir, not Netflix. There is an app.
What app?
Sir, I'm not sure about that app name. I
Oh.
usually watch it through Telegram, downloading the movie from Telegram. And also there is one app through which I also watch.
Oh, Korean movie recently watched by you. Please tell the story in 1 minute.
Okay, sir. The recently watched Korean drama is 2521. It's normally a love story, but there is more than a love story. It explains a good friendship and this fighting spirit of a girl who is participating in the fencing championship from the Korean side, and her friend is from Russia side. So they are competing in a fencing competition. So it involves the emotions of two friends batting in a fencing field. So it all tells about that, and also a love story, a teenage love story, which is not successful at the end. The story is all about this, sir.
What is rocketry?
Rocketry, sir, I don't know.
It is the name of a movie.
Sir, I don't know.
It has come recently. Rocketry.
Nambi Narayan.
Nambi Narayanan. Don't you remember that?
No, sir.
You have not seen that?
No, sir.
It is 100% related to Kerala. All the things have happened in Kerala only. Nambi Narayanan is still alive also. He is still alive.
Okay, sir.
A movie has been made in his name.
Okay, sir.
The hero of that is Mr. Madhavan.
Okay, sir.
And heroine, not much of a role, is that our Simran.
Okay, sir.
Like that. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Now, how do you imagine yourself 5 years from now?
Sir, after 5 years from now, my only dream is to be successful in a banking sector. I have been preparing for that, and I believe I will be successful in few years. And I will be getting a good post in bank, maybe a manager. So I'm looking forward for a banking career, successful banking career in my future.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. Kindly stay with us. Next person has come. Justina, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good. Justina, you are also from Kerala?
Yes, sir.
From which part of Kerala?
Ernakulam,
Your interview is on which date?
30 July.
Good. Please tell us about, this is first interview for you, second interview.
Second interview, sir.
Very good. Please tell us about yourself.
Sir, my name is Justina George and I am coming from Ernakulam, Alva. I have completed my MSc in Mathematics from Union Christian College, Alva. And I have completed my BSc in Mathematics from St. Paul's, Kalamassery in 2019. Coming to my life, I am living with my mother and my two brothers. My mother is an auto driver and my two brothers are completing their studies. And the important thing that I have learned from my mother are honesty and hard work. And my hobbies are listening to music, watching movies, and writing short stories. Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. Now, how much percentage did you score in your 10th, 12th degree and post-graduation?
So 10th full A plus and 12th I got 93%. And in degree I got 84% and in MSc 79%.
Good, good, good. MSc Mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good, very good. Nice. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India. Where is its head office?
Mumbai.
Acha, what is the difference between Union Bank of India and Federal Bank?
Sir, Union Bank of India is actually a public sector bank and a Federal Bank is private sector bank.
Acha. Can you tell the definition of public sector, private sector?
Sir, in the case of public sector bank, more than 51% of stake or complete stake will be in the part of the government of India. And in the case of private sector bank, the ownership will be in the part of private individuals or private institutions.
Yeah, you can say government of India, you don't have to say government, you say. It can be state government or central government also.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very nice. Why do you want to come and join in private sector bank? You could have joined a public sector bank, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Because
which year did you complete your degree?
2021.
Very, only recently, no problem. Tell me, why do you want to come to us? Have you ever tried other public sector banks?
Yes, sir. I have wrote RBI assistant, but I lost it by 10 marks. And then I
No, don't tell the marks. 10 marks appears to be a very big difference.
Yes, sir, I know.
No, you say I wrote the RBI assistant grade and I could not succeed. Finished. Don't tell them whether it is at preliminary stage or at main stage. Wo bhi zarurat nahi. Simply say like that. That will do.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So you have been trying for this. Very good. Then any other exam you wrote in public sector?
Yes, sir. I wrote SBI PO. And that was in the initial stage of my preparation, so I couldn't qualify.
It is okay. Fine, fine. Now tell me, what is RBI? What are the functions of RBI? Why RBI? Please tell me a few points about it. And you are Justina. Justina, what is the meaning of your name?
So, meaning of my name is fair or just, that it indicate the honesty.
Good. Can you talk about RBI for 2 minutes continuously? Various points relating to RBI. RBI, its functions, and what are they doing? Why are they doing? What is the advantage, etc. Justina, about RBI, start.
RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It's headquartered in Mumbai and its governor is Mr. Shaktikant Das. And the main functions of RBI is banker to bank and RBI is banker to government. And it controls the monetary supply and the monetary policy. Then it is also controls the foreign reserve and it controls all other banks, and also it controls the inflation. Then RBI has established in April 1, 1935, and then RBI issue currencies.
Good. Now you can talk about monetary policy. You can tell about various rates and some like that. You can talk something more. You have talked only 1 minute.
Sir, I thought it is just talking about RBI's main points will be
Now,
necessary.
of course, this will be sufficient. Now tell us about repo rate, reverse repo rate and all that.
Sir, repo.
You are not prepared fully?
Yes, sir, I have read about that. I will tell. Do I need to tell about the definition?
Not definition. See, for example, you said about inflation. So about that, when you talk about inflation, you can say about the inflation is controlled by, monitored by Reserve Bank of India by using the following rates like CRR, SLR, repo rate, reverse repo rate, etc. CRR is this thing, present rate is this thing, SLR is this thing, present rate is this thing, repo rate is this thing. This is how it is used. This was revised recently and so on. So likewise, you can try. Try it.
Okay, sir. Reserve Bank of India actually controls the inflation by different rates, different quantitative tools like CRR. Currently, CRR is 4.5%, right?
Correct.
Then, and then repo rate is 4.9%.
Good.
Reverse repo rate is 3.35%.
Excellent.
And bank rate is 5.15%. MSF is 5.15%. SLR is 18%.
Good.
Then,
can you talk about SLR? What is SLR and how it is being maintained by banks?
Sir, bank cannot lend all of its deposits. Some portion of deposit they have to maintain in the form of liquidity, and that percentage of liquidity is determined by this statutory liquidity ratio.
How much is that now?
18%.
Yeah. Now it has to be maintained in the form of cash or gold or government securities.
Gold and government securities.
You have to tell like that clearly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Nice. Likewise, you should prepare for other things also. What is bank rate? What is MSF? You must prepare and be ready to talk about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Why should I select Justina as a probationary officer?
Sir,
don't tell me, sir, if you don't want, don't select me. Don't tell that. Say, why should I select you? Come on, enjoy. No, because always talking seriously is boring. You just must be laughing always. Okay? Smile, smile, smile.
Okay.
Yeah. Why should I select you, Justina? Justina, what did you say about your father? He is an agriculturist, correct?
No, my father is died while I was a child.
I'm sorry. I'm very happy you told your mother is an auto rickshaw driver. Super.
Yes, sir.
What an excellent service she has been giving for the children. She has taken so much pains in bringing you up. Hats off to her. God bless her. Now, please tell me, why should I select Justina?
Sir, actually, I am good at convincing people so that I can convince more customers and can bring more profit to the banks. And I have good communication skills and I am confident. And also, I am more dedicated to the work. And I am good at, since I am from mathematics background, I have good problem solving skills and some sort of aptitude, which are in good demand for this job. So if you are putting me in a toughful situation, then however, I will manage that using my problem solving skills. So I think that I am suitable for this job.
Good. Can you tell me about any big problem you have faced recently? And how did you sort it out? This is a very routine question. It is asked in our robotic interview also. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in my MSc, I have faced such a situation. Actually, my terminal exam was going to start, and at that time, my mother's hand broke out. So that was put me in a tough situation because I have to manage all the household chores and I have to prepare for the exam. Because MSc is really tough, and we have to prepare thoroughly so that we could at least pass the exam. So that was I was in a tough situation, and I don't have study leave also. So I managed it by proper planning.
Good. Excellent. Excellent. Good. So do you perform exercises?
Yes,
Ah,
usually I used to dance by watching video sessions from the YouTube.
Acha, so that you maintain your body. Are you a fat person or a lean person or medium person?
Actually, sir, I am a lean person, but not much lean, but
Okay.
not at all medium also.
Not at all. In between lean and medium.
Yes, sir.
That's true. Good. You said you are good in convincing people.
Yes, sir.
Now convince Rani Tom to take home loan from our Federal Bank. She is working in an IT company. She is getting 2 lakh salary per month. She is not married and she is interested in buying some house. Now please talk to Ronnie Tom to take home loan from us.
Okay.
Ronnie Tom, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now Justina, talk to her.
Okay, Rani Tom. You said that you have a monthly salary of 2 lakh. So we have a good plan for you. And sir, I don't know the specific name of home loans.
The name of home loan is home loan only. Call it home loan. You say we are giving housing loan for this thing. Or Ronnie Tom, can you try this question? Or have you ever seen my videos and other things?
Yes,
Can you talk about it?
Yes, I can try.
Please try.
After having a few conversations with you, ma'am, I understood that you are living in a rented house. So this is the best time for you to choose a home loan to invest in a home so that it will be a long-term investment. Only the rent that you are paying for the house now will only cost that much for the interest in the payment of home loan. So it's a best option for you to invest now. So since you are in a youth stage, so you don't have much responsibilities, it's a best stage to start investing, and we are providing much lower interest rate for the home loans.
Okay, good. Justina.
Yes, sir.
You are now given an option. You should go out and start canvassing people for new loans.
Yes, sir.
What are the various strategies you will adopt?
First of all, I know driving, so I can easily reach out to them, and I approach them with a smile, and I would tell them that our bank and our bank manager and all the employees in the bank are really friendly to the customers, and they are willing to assist you in every situation. And also, I would tell them that our bank is offering loan instantly. You can also apply for the loan through digital options. And also I would tell them that there is no much paperwork.
No, you have not understood my question. What are the different strategies you will adopt for canvassing people on a large scale?
Okay, sir, I would use social medias.
Okay.
And I would share this information about the loan products through WhatsApp, through all of my friends. And I also publish it in newspaper. And if they are willing to, if it is for the home loan, then I would I would approach the construction builders from near my near my locality so that I could get the contacts from them. And then also in the case of auto dealers, then I would be approaching the some service centers so that I could get addresses of the person who are willing to buy auto and vehicles.
Good.
किसी भी तरह की जानकारी लेनी हो हमारा स्टॉल लगा पीछे भैया होम लोन ले लो होम लोन अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी फ्लैट पे लोन प्लॉट पे लोन इंडस्ट्रियल लोन किसी भी तरह का लोन चाहिए हमारा स्टॉल लगा भाई साहब पीछे हमारे स्टॉल पे आके संपर्क करें किसी तरह के हिडन चार्जेस नहीं किसी तरह के कोई प्रोसेसिंग फीस एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं नॉर्मल लीगल फीस टेक्निकल फीस सारे के सारे चार्जेस फ्री हमारे स्टॉल पे संपर्क करें जिन भाइयों को लोन की आवश्यकता हो वो पीछे आके संपर्क कर
Yeah, now Justina,
Yes, sir.
now do the same drama in Malayalam.
Actually, I don't know Hindi, so I didn't understand the language.
Acha, Rani Tom, could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Tell me in Malayalam.
Sir, അവർ പറയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ വിളിച്ചു പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നടക്കുകയാണ് ഹോം ലോൺ ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് പ്രോസസിംഗ് ചാർജ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ ഹോം ലോൺ ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള ഹോം ലോൺസ് കിട്ടും ഹോം ലോൺസ് എന്നല്ല എല്ലാ തരത്തിലുള്ള ലോൺസ് കിട്ടും ഹോം ലോണും വെഹിക്കിൾ ലോൺ അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ ലോൺസിനും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വരാം പ്രോസസിംഗ് ഫീസോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റുള്ള ചാർജസോ എക്സ്ട്രാ ചാർജസോ ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാതെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എടുക്കാം.
Good. That's all. What, Justina? There is no need for Hindi language and all that. Just you are going out. But of course, I don't want you to do that. You can tell the one option for canvassing is by putting banners, by conducting group meetings, say for a selected people, or at the road corners, something like that. That is also one strategy, but it depends. Maybe banks may not go down to that extent. There is no need because they are already getting lot of other queries. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. So will you be able to take up such job, say when I post you to North India also, Justina?
Yes, sir. I would choose up such jobs if I am getting to post in North India, because actually I studied Hindi in my school days and college days. So within one month, I believe that I could learn the Hindi so that language won't be a problem. So I would ready.
Excellent. So you are willing to be relocated anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Will your parents will your mummy permit you to go out of this place?
No problem, sir. She will let me to go out.
No, you may think it is odd, but this is how they are going on repeatedly asking the very same question. Wherever there is gap, they leave it. They don't leave it with 2-3 questions. Wherever there is a girl candidate, they go on asking this relocation issue. Okay, so be ready for that and answer that cheerfully and with smile on your face.
Okay, sir.
That is the only key for success. They will go on be asking questions. You should not get angry.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very nice. Arvind Unni, I will close this video now and come again on our Zoom. You can join. And you two boys, sorry, girls, if you want, you can also come and watch the interview. No problem.
They're the same video, sir.
Same Zoom ID.
Okay, fine. Sir.
Yeah. So thank you, Rani Tom. Thank you so much, Justina. Thank you so much. You did a good job. Best wishes. Bye. So now one more boy is coming. I don't know at what time he will join us. Yeah. Yeah.